Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to draft this Bubu gown. If this is what you want to learn, please stick to the end. So I want to illustrate to us how I place my fabric on those papers for better understanding before we go to the cutting table. Okay, let's assume that this is my fabric, okay? So this is how I place my fabric. This way, I folded it this way. Let's assume that this is the length of my fabric, okay? And this is the width. So after folding it that way, I folded it into 4 folds. You know, we are cutting a Bubu gown, okay? I folded it into 4 folds. Then I start taking my measurement. All right, I took my length first. After taking the length of my fabric, I ruled a straight line. Then on my neckline here, I placed 4 inches, okay? Then on my neck depth, I did 6 inches. I used the same measurement for my front and my back, and it is a V neckline, so I connected with a straight line. Okay, I used the same measurement for my front and my back. If you don't want to use the same measurement for your front and your back, you can come down for your neck depth for the front, maybe by 6 or 7 inches. Then for the back, you can do 3 or 4 inches, and then you connect the back separately and you connect the front separately. So that's that about the style. So I will bring in my fabric and we draft and cut together. So this is my fabric, okay? And I place it in 4 folds. So I will measure the length of my fabric. The length I'm working with is length 60. I will measure my 60 inches, then I will add 3 inches for seam allowance. I will come to this side, I'll place my 60 inches, okay? Because I want a straight line. So I'm going to rule a line across, okay? I will use my straight ruler and I will rule a line across this way, okay? So after that, I will measure my shoulder. The shoulder I am working with is 16 divided by 2, which is 8. I place my 8 inches. From where my shoulder measurement ended, I place my sleeve measurement. The sleeve I'm working with is 16 inches. So after that, I'll place the width of my sleeve. You can see that it is a balloon sleeve, so I measure 20 inches, okay? Then, after that, I will come to the hem here. Then I'll place my hip measurement, divide by 4. Then I'll add extra 5 inches, okay? I added extra 5 inches to my hip measurement. So I'm going to make my connection this way. So I will connect it this way to meet my measurement at the hem line. I will connect it this way. All right. I hope we can see what I'm doing. So after that, I'll place my neckline measurement. I use 4 inches. So I did 4 by 6 inches. Okay, so I'm going to connect it this way. I'm using the same measurement for both my front neckline and my back neckline, okay? So I did 4 by 6 inches. So it is that easy and straightforward. Okay, so I'm going to cut out now. So after sewing, just add elastic to the hem of the sleeve and then you're good to go. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. Feel free to like and share. Drop a comment please, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.